everyone. Today, we will discuss the scientific design process. The first step of this process is defining our problem. In this example, the problem is my dad gaining weight. Of course, my dad likes to eat all kinds of foods, but my mom doesn't let him. But my dad still gains weight. So we get to the next step of the process, which is getting background research. Our research is that my dad eats unhealthy foods such as rice, bread, cookies, chips, and cheese. And as a result, he gains weight. So he shouldn't eat these foods and he won't get weight. And he has some limitations also. These are also known as constraints. For example, my dad can't eat the previously mentioned foods. He can't eat for so long. And also, he can't eat during a certain time. So a hypothesis to solve this problem is, on weekdays from 7 p.m. to 10 a.m., my dad can't eat any food, but he can't eat rice, bread, cookies, chips, or cheese at any time on the weekdays. And on weekends, he can't eat anything he wants, but only in one big meal. But the one big meal can be anything like steak or anything else. So, to see how it went, we recorded his weight every day for 2 weeks, and we're going to continue doing it. So, where is it? There. So, you see that week 1, on Monday, he was 178.6. And on Tuesday, he lost weight and became 177.4. On Wednesday, he became 176. And this trend continues until Friday, when he became 175. But you might notice that on Saturday and Sunday, his weight went up because of the less constraint diet that he had. You see that week 2 also follows the same trend somewhat, because from Monday to Friday, his weight goes down, but on Saturday and Sunday, it goes up. To easily visualize this, we made it into a chart, and this is what the chart looks like. The blue line is week 1, and the red line is week 2. You can see that even though in week 2, the weight still goes up in the weekends, it doesn't go up as much as it did on week 1, as you can see in the chart. Hopefully, my dad can keep losing weight, and then his weight will be by 0 in the next few weeks. Thank you.